Hello everyone, this is Sundar Surgaos. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we will learn about Python strings. So what are the Python strings? So string are text values stored inside quotes. So the first one is text is written by using the single quote or double quote. So something like this. You can write your text inside the double quotes or you can use single quotes as well. So here the second point is code inside quotes. Okay, so if you want to use something like this, I am using double quote and double quote, both are here. But if I want to use single quote, so I can use it. But if I want to use double quotes, something like this. Okay, so how I can do this? With the help of backslash, I can use it. Okay, for multi-line, what I'm doing here, I use this triple quotes. So I can write my strings inside the triple quotes, and this is how I get my output. The way I will write my string inside the triple quote, it will get printed out in that way only. All right. Now, if I want to access the index of the string, so how I can do this? With the help of indexing. Okay. So here I use 1. Indexing always start from 0. So this one is 0. This one is 1. This one is 2. This one is 3. So I need to get the 1 index. So my E is at 1 index. So my output will be E. Okay. So if I want to use loop, so I want to get the each character through loop. For that, I will use for loop. Okay. And I will use X variable here and it will get inside all the character. It will get through all the character and print it out in the new line every time. Okay. Now, if I want to get the size of the string, so how many characters are present inside the string? So for that, I will use len function. And inside that, I will put a, my variable name. So it will get me out the number of the character that is present inside my string. So here it is, okay, so length always start from 1, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, okay? Okay, so this one is 5. Okay, so I will get my output as 5 in that case. Now here is the check in and not in. So what it will check? It will check the text is present inside the string or not. Okay, so here, so this is my text variable I stored. Python is easy. Okay, so now it will check that easy word is present inside the text or not. Here I used in operator. Okay, so it's a membership operator. So it will check your word in present inside the string or not. So if it is present, then it will give me true, else false. Okay, so here are some takeaway that string can store text. It support indexing and looping and checking as well. Okay, let's move on to the next slide. Now, if I take my indexing, so indexing always start from 0. So here it is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is space is 6, then 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. Okay, so these are my indexing. Now what I need to do, I need to get 5, sorry, 2 to 5. So here it will take from 2. It will take L, L, O. Last index will be discarded. So from 2 to 4 it will take as an output. Okay. Now what I need to check now, if start not given, it will start from the beginning. So as you can see here, nothing is mentioned at the left hand side. So it will start from the 0th index and it will go till 4. So it will print hello as an output. Okay. Now to end, if end not given, it goes till end. So it will start from 2 and go till end. It means that it will go till exclamatory mark. So here it will start from second index. Okay, so L L O comma space W O R L D exclamatory mark. Okay, so this is how I will get my index. I will get my output. Now negative indexing. So here negative indexing will always start from -1. So here -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6. This space is -7. Exclamatory marks is -8, -9, -10, -11, -12, and -13. Okay. So what I need to do now? I need to start with -5 and go till -2. So -5 is here. It will start from O. So O, R, L. So D will be discarded. -2 will be discarded here. Okay. So it will only take O, R, L. So here is the output I will get. Okay. Now case conversion method. Case conversion method means it will modify the string by using the method. So here, if I use upper method, so it will convert my hello string into the uppercase. All the characters should be converted into uppercase. If I use lower method, then it will convert my hello string into the lower character only. Okay. And I have two string hello and word. So only the first word character will get capital. Okay, not the second one. So this is how you can use the capitalize method. So if you want to convert you both the letters first character into capital one, so for that you need to use title. Okay, so it will convert it. You both the word first character into the capital letter. And the next one is replace and modify. So it has three methods: strip and replace. So it will remove space from both the side of a string. So if you have a space, like here you have a space after O and here you have a space before H. So if you use strip, so it will remove the white spaces. Then replace. If you want to replace your H letter with J letter, so you can use replace method. So it will modify your string. So previously it is hello, now it is jello. Then here is split and join method. So split method, it will split string into list. So let's say, okay. And also other one is join element into a string. So let's see. See this split and join method. So how we can use it inside our string. So split method will split the string wherever this comma exit. So here comma exit here. So it will split the string into two parts now. Okay, and comma will be removed. Okay, so it will get splitted into two parts. Now I want to join them. These two splitted part of the string, I want to join them. So I can join them with the help of the join function, join method. Okay, so here I am passing white space. So white space will join this first word and here will be second word and here will be white space. So this is my output: first word space, then my second word. Okay, so this is how we can split and join it. Now I want to use concatenation. If I want to join the two strings, so I can use it with the help of these two, with the help of plus operator. Okay, so we can concatenate the two strings. Okay, so this is how I will get my output. Now, string format. It is used to combine string and values. For example, if string, insert variable inside string. So, here I am using f string. So, my age is, I took one variable age and pass value here 20. If I want it to take my age from here, I do not want to hard code it. Okay, so I am using variable. If I want to change my age, so I will change from here only and it will get affected here in this method whenever I print it out. So this is how I can use f string, and I can use my variable name directly, and whenever I will change the value, it will get changed according to it. Now decimal format, control decimal values. So if I want 0.2f, so after 10 I want decimal and two values. So I will get it with the help of decimal 2f. Okay, so it's a decimal format. Now move on to next slide. Escape characters. Okay, so we already saw this one, escape character. So if I want to use double quote for my string, for my outer string, and I want to again use double quote for my inside string, so I can use backslash for that. Checking methods. So it check a condition and return true or false. For example, here I took text is equal to hello 123. Now I will use specifically is here. If you can see, is this common? Okay, so it will check whether this string is in lowercase or not. So yes, it is in lowercase. Then it will check, is it in uppercase? No, it's not. So it returns false. Is it in alpha? Alpha means, yeah, it contains alphabets, but it also contains spaces, numbers, so it will return false. Same implemented for digit also. Is digit, yeah, digit is present, but along with that, space and character also present, so it will return me false. If you use only numbers, so it will return you true. If you only use space here, no words, no number, no character, nothing, only space, so it will return you is space is equal to true, else false. Okay, now let's see what is searching methods. So here I took one variable that is text and passed a string inside it, that is hello world. Now I will use two methods. First one is find, second one is dot index. So we will search whether the word is exists inside the string or not. Okay. So let's suppose I took one variable text and passed a string inside it. Now with the help of dot find method, I will find this thing is present inside the string or not. So word is present inside the string or not. I will search it. So indexing always start from 0. Here is 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So W is at 6 index. So my output will be 6. And now I want to search hello is where is hello present? Is it present inside the string or not? So it will find the hello word. So it present at the index 0. So my output will be 0. But let's suppose I want to search Python inside this string. So Python is not present. So dot function will return me -1. But if I do the same thing with dot index method, so what it will return to me? See, if I pass here Python and want to search Python word is present inside this string or not, inside text, okay? So if it is not present, then it will throw me an error, that is value error, okay? So dot find method is safe to use. Dot index method, it will throw an error if that word is not present. So final takeaway, string can be sliced, modified, joined, formatted and processed using methods. As we know that string is immutable. So with the help of these methods, we can modify our string. Okay. Now, here are some practice questions. So you can try it by your own. I will mention the answer in the description box so you can view it. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching this video.